In this video, we are going to see cloud computing lab exercise, that is creating and executing your first container using Docker. Initially, we are going to install the Docker application from the browser, search the Docker in the browser and click the first link which is named as a Docker desktop. Then select the path Windows download for a 64-bit. It will take a few minutes to download. In between that time, I will say what is meant by Docker. Docker is an open source platform designed to automate a process of developing, packaging and deploying application inside lightweight and portable containers. Here the container mean it is a unit of software that packages an application and its dependencies like libraries, system tools and settings, so that the application runs the same way in any environment. Docker helps the developer overcome the problem of it works on my computer but not on your, by ensuring consistency across different machines and operating system. After the completion of the download process, next we have to installation the function which have been set up in your system. Click the Docker desktop file and start installation. Accept all the terms and conditions and give OK to the configuration setup. The version 4.35.1 have been installing. Wait for few minutes for installing process. In between time, I will discuss about container. What is meant by container? Container is an isolated environment that runs an application and includes everything required for to it function properly. Containers are already, I said, the containers are lightweight and portable and efficiency, as they share the same operating kernel instead of running a separate OS like a virtual machine. Each container works independently, meaning one container's operation do not affect another. This isolation helps the developer to test and deploy multiple applications on a single system without conflict. And the advantage of the Docker. Advantage of the Docker. Main advantage is Docker containers can run anywhere, on laptop or local server or in the cloud without any changes. It is visible to a portability. Same Docker image can be used across deployment, testing and production, ensuring the uniform behavior. This resembles to a consistency. The containers start quickly and use less memory and disk space compared to virtual machine, that is said to be a efficiency and speed. Each container runs independently and preventing the conflict between the different applications. It is said to as isolation. Docker allows easy scaling of application by running multiple containers at once. This resembles a scalability plus specified development. With Docker, developers can easily package and skip the application with all dependency includes. Then again open the Docker desktop after completion of the installation and accept everything and have to process which have been carried in the installation. Skip the welcome and survey node. Now the Docker engine was installed and started for the process.
Here we going to see about the creating and executing of your first container using Docker. After the installation of the Docker application, we need to check the container page which have been in the empty space. Next, we need to check the image page which also carried in the empty spaces. Next, in your system, open the VS Code which can be the execution of the program codes. Next, open the new folder in your VS Code which can be the creation of a folder as the new Docker first file. Then save the code and open in the folder which have in the VS Code and create a new file named as a Docker file. Inside the file, I were installing the OS as a Alpine. which is in the latest version. Then I will execute the command echo and welcome to the Docker demo. Then we going to view the code which has in the terminal point. Then open the terminal and type docker space build slash t hyphen name of the project, which I were giving the name of demo docker. Then you will execute the file and the OS. Now we going to our Docker desktop file, which the image file were added container where which is executed. Next we going to again the terminal point and execute the docker file, which is command as new docker file. Then the docker file were executed and go back to the docker desktop and go to the container page, which were created as a container file which can be executed. Then you can go to the executed process and the container file which has the output, and click the container file and you may see the output of this code program. Thank you.